number 4. Subject name is chemical thermodynamics. Thermo means heat. Dynamic means flow or movement or changes. Heat flow of the chemical reaction is called as chemical thermodynamics. So guys, can you recall what is the energy or different form of the energy? Energy means yes, the capacity of work, doing the work is called as energy. Or a different form of the energy, chemical energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, electrical energy, nuclear energy, etc. This is the different form of the energy. This is the already studied in 11th standard in energy and different form of the energy. So start the main basic concept of the chapter. First, system. Second, surrounding. What is in the system or what is in the surrounding? This example, gas cylinder. This is the surrounding. Inside and outside. There are two parts. First part is inside gas. Outside part is surrounding. The definition of the system: a part of universe. A part of universe thermodynamic integration is called as system. Definition of the system: a part of universe. The part of universe क्या होता है? Integration, searching, observation is called as system. Definition of the surrounding: a part of universe other than outside. Other than outside is called as surrounding. Okay. System plus surrounding is called as universe. System plus surrounding is called as universe. Next concept study: types of system. Types of system. There are three systems. First is open system, second is closed system, third is isolated system. All students observe in tea or saucer. Tea or saucer. This is the cup and saucer. Hot tea in place of the room. Okay. Hot tea in cup and saucer. Energy as well as matter. Energy as well as matter. Not exchange. Not exchange is called as open system. This is the open, not closed. Definition of open system: the system in which exchange both energy and matter. Exchange energy and matter with surrounding is called as open system. Same example, closed system. This cup tea closed in saucer. Saucer closed in saucer. Only one matter observed, second matter is not observed. Yes. Definition of closed system: yes, the system in which exchange energy, exchange only on energy, do not matter with surrounding is called as closed system. Okay. Second system, closed system. Definition of closed system: a system in which exchange only on energy, do not matter with surrounding is called as closed system. Same example, third system is isolated system. This is the thermos plus. Okay. Do not change in energy as well as matter. Not change. This example of isolated system. Define term of isolated system: the system in which do one question. What is the open system? What is the closed system? What is the isolated system? First is exchange both energy and matter with surrounding. Second, only on energy exchange, not matter. And third is do not change either energy or matter. Okay? Three system very important. Next concept, properties of system. There are two properties of the system. First is extensive property and second is intensive property. What is the extensive property? The property depends on the matter present in the system. Matter means states of matter, gas, liquid, solid present in the system is called as extensive property. For example, extensive property, mass, volume, internal energy and number of moles, etc. This property example of extensive property. Second property, intensive property. Intensive property means this property independent on the matter present on the matter. First property is depending. Second property is independent, not depending. Matter present in the system. Some example of intensive property: pressure, temperature, melting point, boiling point, surface tension, viscosity, etc. This example of intensive property. One mark question. Some example of intensive property and some example of intensive property. Not same, totally different of the property. This property depending, this property independent. Example 2. This property example and this property example. Next concept discussed with next lecture, state function. So guys, I hope you are understand. Any queries or difficulty discuss with me. Thank you.